Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper. This is Talali with you, and I'm going to take you in the coming few minutes on an update on the 29th of June 2021. As you know, we are going confidently towards the end of the month. So today I'm going to give you an update of the top 5, and I will update you in the coming days also about the performance, the top 5 of today, Wednesday and Thursday. Then during the weekend I will give you an update about the performance of June and review it compared with May, April and the previous months. As usual, our setting is, as you can see, starting equity is 10,000 shares, share size per trade is 3,000, the commission per trade is 3.95. Our stop loss or the exit is immediately when we reach 3% lower than our entry, and our target profit is 7% from our entry point as well. Let me take you through the total results of the 29th. Winning rate was 36.6, and that's a profit comparing all the winning to the losing trades, with an average gain of 34.58 for the whole trades. And we had 15 trades winning out of total 41 opportunities, making the percentage that we talked about. Let me take you through the top 5 gainers. We will go through the top 5 and discuss the entries. We start from the top one, the most profitable one, to the least profitable one. And the first one was NSYS. The profit happened in 3 minutes only in this candle, as you can see. Excuse me. On the daily, you can see a very large movement, a very large spike here, and we took our advantage from that in 3 minutes. Although the entry is not the perfect entry that you can see, but until this candle everything is okay. What happened after that is something really that is not good for you as a trader if you were in the trade, and definitely you will be losing by the time you are here. So what had happened here is that you made your profit in 3 minutes in this 5 minutes candle. So I think there is luck in this trade more than really opportunity, if you like to say, because the perfect entry for this opportunity is supposed to be somewhere here, and it will be a very perfect one because, you know, consolidation or slowness. For the followers, they know what I mean by this. So here, this is too late, but when you are trading and when you see the volume and the momentum, you can tell easily that this is an opportunity that you can enter. All right. But if I'm trading in the market, particularly looking into this, I will not enter it. I will enter other opportunities. I will not enter this one, although this is the most profitable one. In 3 minutes it made $2,011.80. That's just my opinion. If you have another opinion, please share me. Next one is AUUD, and it made it also again in 2 minutes. Okay, and as you can see, the day trading, the daily candle is the stock opened with a gap up, and it's immediately when the market opens, it gave you in one candle 5 minutes. Here in our case only in 2 minutes, it gave you this beautiful rise of 7%, and it actually continued like 10 or 12, I believe. Okay, and it made in 2 minutes from 7.64 to 8.17 with the 3,000 shares, of course, a gross profit of $1,604. Moving forward with FWP, pretty excellent movement and upper trending, and there is turbulence, of course, in the pre-market, but the opening was good, and then it opened here, and that's one of the longest trades that we had in our trading day. It lasted from the beginning of the market until 4 o'clock when the trade was closed. Okay, and it made $930. Next is IFBD. What's interesting about IFBD is that it had a very perfect volume, 53.6 almost million shares, whereas the average daily is less than even 5 million shares, sorry, even less than that. Maybe it's less than 1 million shares every day. So that's a perfect indication that it might continue also. So in 40 minutes it made the 7%, moving from 4.18 to 4.47, which is equal to $877.80. And the entry here is one of the perfect, actually. This is the typical entry that we really consider as a typical entry, really. For a trader, he can or she can enter here, and from here also the trader can raise actually the moving, the take profit and the stop loss, and can continue actually. So for a professional trader, we don't recommend this actually. We recommend that you stick with the plan so you don't fall under the the emotional factors where you lose control and the emotions control you, of course. The FOMO, fear of missing opportunity, and other factors that can really play a very bad role in your trading, and might change your winning position to a losing position as well. Okay, next one is HQ, and after all the downtrending, today it gave you a confirmation of the upper trending, and within 30 minutes or less, around 25 minutes, it rose from 3.81 to 4.08, making $800 of profit. You can see here that it has successfully tested the moving average, and then from there it continued and it closed above the moving average. Okay, and again with the volume, I'm expecting that it will continue. Okay, excuse me, this is late entry here, a little bit late entry, but it is with the confirmation. If I'm trading here, I should be really cautious and be careful, and should be careful really. So my entry will be okay here, and my exit should be, my stop loss should be a little bit lower than that, lower than the moving average. So the lower than the moving, the blue one, the moving, the exponential moving average for 9 days, a little bit lower than that. So it should not exceed the it will be more than 3% actually. The stop loss will be around maybe 4% or something. Okay, so those are the top ones. Of course there are other winning trades, and of course there are the losing ones. The reason I'm only highlighting the winning, the top 5, is that we have done many updates previously, and the channel is full of previous analysis, if you like, of the opportunities. And you can, if you are interested, you can go back to the previous ones to see how we really analyze and determine which is a winning entry and which is a correct entry compared to other opportunities as well. And maybe with the time, if I see the followers requesting going through more opportunities, I'll be doing also the top 5 and the least 5 or the most losing trades also, so we can maybe give more guidance on those also. Okay, that was my quick update for the day. I wish you a very wonderful day, and have a very profitable trading. Enjoy the trading, and see you tomorrow, and don't miss today's live trading. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now.